pieces in my wardrobe that never make it back into my wardrobe. I wanted to talk to you guys today about clothes that as soon as they get out of clean laundry, they're back on my body and back into the dirty laundry before they ever get the chance to make it back into my closet. I guess it's kind of like staple pieces that go with everything in my wardrobe, pieces that I love and will probably never get rid of, yada, 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 yada. So many things you could title this video. So before we get into this video though, I did want to say thank you so much to Cotton for sponsoring. I've worked with them before, and one of the pieces that I received, I think about a month ago. I keep trying to get it to the studio to film, but it keeps ending up in my dirty hamper from wearing it and being in the cycle already. It's this little knit t-shirt. You would have seen it in a couple videos back because I was literally wearing it in that video, unsponsored. It is the perfect done up t-shirt. So if you are always gravitating towards just like a white plain t-shirt, getting a knit t-shirt, and this one from Cotton is so perfect. I love the more cream color of it opposed to a stark white. I've talked about that a little bit on my channel now. I think the creams and the muted colors look a lot better on me than a white. Just a pair of jeans and sneakers, or with jeans and loafers. Like, I'm not gonna go through everything, but a knitted t-shirt is so perfect for the summertime. It's breathable, lightweight. Cotton focuses on the finest natural fibers, which will all biodegrade at the end of their life cycle. They use an innovative ground up approach, sourcing all the cotton from their collection, from the Better Cotton Initiative and small family run farms. With every purchase from Cotton, you give back to the rural farming communities in Egypt through the funding of literacy programs. To date, Cotton has built 18 schools in the Nile Delta and Fayum region. Cotton is ranked as the 4th highest apparel B corporation in North America and have been voted best for the world in community by B Corporation. That had nothing to even do with just like the t-shirt and my loving it. I love Cotton as a brand. I love working with them. So this t-shirt is also from Cotton. I think that the bright red is so much fun. I've been wanting to like buy things in not just white, black, and gray. And Cotton has my favorite like raspberry sweater that I wear all the time and you've seen on this channel a million times. That sweater got me into like wanting fun colors. They also have this knit tank that's new that is literally just so perfect. This dark gray has been everywhere and I'm so obsessed with it for the spring and summertime and bringing again these muted colors into those seasons. I showed this in my last video as well. It is a little racer tank. Is it racer back? I guess so. High neck little tank top in that really pretty raspberry color that Cotton does so well. And then I also have these little black ribbed pants that I've been wearing a lot recently and will continue to wear through the spring and summertime that are just so comfy, basically like a yoga sweatpant combined, but can be a little bit more elevated. So if you guys want to shop Cotton, you can use the link in the description box. I love Cotton so much. If you've never even just checked out the website, I seriously recommend them over and over again. Amazing. Let's get into a very Laney piece that I actually think I have to retire. My other one's way back there. The Samba. I put on my Adidas Sambas. I wear them. I've worn them for I think 3 years now, 4 years. They're beaten to crap, and since they're black, they don't look, I mean, they look a little beat, but they don't look so horribly beat. I always talk about this, but this is my go-to sneaker because I can slip it on. It's a lace-up sneaker that is still easy enough to slip on. I'm not gonna tie my other shoes looser. I just don't like how that looks. I think it looks sloppy. I like that these can still be laced up pretty tightly and slip on and off. But like the entire Adidas logo is gone. It used to say Adidas there and it's totally wiped off from wearing them so much. I'm trying not to touch the bottoms. I've been having hip problems. And I think that these have no support anymore. So like, I don't know if I'm just gonna get a new pair or if these actually have to be retired. My hip is hurting so badly that like, I've got my Asics on now. I've been wearing them in the house. So I literally think the Adidas Sambas have to die, just in the way I used to wear them. I think I'll still be able to wear them once in a while, but like I cannot wear them 24/7 anymore. I need some arch support. If you need arch support, the Sambas aren't for you. If you need an everyday shoe that goes with everything, the Samba is for you. They can be dressed up, they can be dressed down. I think a black sneaker is so underrated. Okay, another shoe that I actually think have a little bit more arch support because they're like for little boys going to private school. They're Sperry topside or loafers. I got them off Poshmark. I had thrifted a brown pair in person and I've sold them because the black just seemed to go with more. Now I wish I hadn't sold the brown loafer. A loafer is such a good shoe. It's the same as the Samba where it can be dressed up or dressed down. I think the Samba takes the outfit, you know, down a notch, and these take them up a notch, but they're still really comfortable. Slip on, I love it. Black loafer. I don't think there's an outfit that those two shoes don't go with in my closet. If I had to get rid of every single shoe, those would be the two I kept, and I could get away with any type of outfit. Like, I think I could go to a wedding in my loafers, dressed appropriately, scuffed up a little bit. Not scuffed up, polished up. And then the next one is just any crew neck. The way I go through crew necks is crazy. None of my crew necks really have any like logo or branding on them. I feel like I used to buy, you know, hoodies and crew necks with something on the front, a graphic, and I really do think it just like, what's the opposite word of elevate? Why does elevate sound so good and lowers sounds horrible? Like, I knew what the opposite of elevate was, but I thought there was a better word for it. What am I saying? Oh, any like graphic on a crew neck or hoodie just lowers your outfit. Where if your crew neck is plain and it's just a black plain crew neck or gray or navy blue or even like hot pink, it has that feeling of just like being a basic and almost like looking past it, and you can look at the outfit as a whole. So any plain crew neck I'm wearing all the time. I love my like light heathered gray crew necks, but they tend to get pretty dirty with a toddler. So I've mostly been wearing my like navy blue and black ones, and those don't have to go back in the wash so immediately. But I know that isn't an issue for most people. Okay, then we have 3 pairs of pants. So these pants, I'm sure you guys have seen before if you watch my channel. They're peachy den. Forget the exact name of them, but they're these pinstripe pants. They are the perfect low-waisted, wide leg. They're technically, I'm pretty sure, navy, not black, and I actually like that better. I wear them all the time with my loafers, with my Sambas, my t-shirts, with a knitted t-shirt, with my crew neck. I wear them with everything. They're so comfortable. They feel like sweatpants. They don't feel like a tailored suit pant. I've literally had a pair very similar but way worse quality from ASOS back in 2018, and I wore the crap out of them, and I wore them so often I got sick of them, and I gave them to my friend Shoshi because I was like, I can't stand to see myself in these pants again. Immediately I missed them, but then I got these, way better quality, such better feeling material, and now I know to never let these go. Sorry, Shoshi. Love those pants. Next, you can tell that these were grabbed out of the dirty clothes bin because I wear them so much. These Levi's, and these Levi's I get so many questions about because I feel like Levi's can be pretty hit or miss, or like you want that certain style and it's just not working. These are the perfect low-waisted baggy Levi's. I'm gonna put so many pictures here. They're in a size 27 and I'm normally 25. I got these like freshly postpartum because they fit me like true to size, and I knew they would just get baggier and baggier. I thought they would, I don't know. What style are these though? They're 100% cotton. Like, where do I find the style? That's what you guys all ask for. And if I can't do that, I'm gonna look up where to find the style of your Levi's, and I will put it on screen because these are so good. And Levi's are just like a number. They're really light wash. They go with anything. They're perfect in the summer and winter time, this wash to me. There's literally like ketchup or blood or something on the back. But they are worn to death where they feel like butter. They were a bit more stiff and rugged. I got them off Depop, I'm pretty sure, so maybe that person has the style listed. These are my go-to jeans. Again, they feel like sweatpants, and that's why I am constantly wearing them. Like these pants and my Peachy Den little pinstripe trousers are comfier than like a pair of leggings, and that's what I strive for because things need to be comfier, my like comfy clothes, for me to wear them and like keep gravitating towards them. And my last pair of pants, probably no surprise, are these little Adidas track pants. They might look black on camera, but they're a really deep navy blue. I got these on Poshmark, and they are a size medium. They're that swishy material. I'll try and find the exact name, but you can get these on like Kohl's, Amazon, wherever. But seriously, check out like Poshmark before Depop. I feel like people on Depop sell these for a bit more just because they're trendy. Yeah, I love these. They can be dressed up. I wear these, like I'll wear these with my little black loafers with a little sweater, honestly done up, where I feel like a sweatpant jogger, you can't get away with that. And that's what I love right now in my closet, is just like versatility. I want to do a video if you're thinking of buying something, what to like ask yourself before you make that purchase, because I'm like so over telling people how to live their lives, telling you like stop buying clothes, period. Only thrift, only do that. Like I honestly couldn't care less to tell you what to do. I just want to like lead by example. And they're the things that I ask myself before I purchase something. I'm doing the like 75-day hard no style 75-day hard style challenge that Old Loser in Brooklyn came up with. I've talked about this 100 times, and it's really made me think of like when I bring something into my closet, what do I have to go through? What criteria does it have to hit? And all that kind of stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to check out Cotton. Use the link in the description box. I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you. I'm sitting on my feet in a few days. Bye.